Hey everyone, are you ready for a culinary adventure? Today, we're going to explore something truly unique and exciting. Imagine a picnic with friends, the sun shining, and a table filled with vibrant, colorful dishes that are as delicious as they are beautiful. That's the magic of vegan sushi. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of vegan sushi. This isn't just any sushi, it's a delightful twist on a classic favorite, made entirely from plant-based ingredients. Whether you're a longtime vegan or just curious about trying something new, vegan sushi is a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy, flavorful meal. That's right, sushi that's not only delicious but also plant-based. Imagine biting into a roll filled with creamy avocado, sweet mango, and crunchy cucumber, all wrapped in perfectly seasoned sushi rice. It's a taste sensation that will leave you wanting more. Forget any preconceived notions you might have about vegan sushi being bland or boring. The truth is, vegan sushi can be just as flavorful and satisfying as its traditional counterpart. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can create rolls that are bursting with flavor and texture. We're about to unlock a world of flavor and creativity that will tantalize your taste buds. From the rich, buttery taste of avocado to the sweet, tangy flavor of mango, each bite is a delightful surprise. And let's not forget the savory goodness of tofu, which adds a satisfying protein boost to your sushi rolls. Vegan sushi is all about embracing fresh, vibrant ingredients and transforming them into beautiful, bite-sized rolls. Think creamy avocado, juicy mango, crisp cucumber, and savory tofu, all wrapped up in perfectly seasoned sushi rice. The key is to use the freshest ingredients you can find, which will make all the difference in the flavor and texture of your sushi. All wrapped up in perfectly seasoned sushi rice. The rice is the foundation of any good sushi roll, and when it's seasoned just right, it brings all the other flavors together in perfect harmony. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of ingredients to find your perfect roll. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. The vibrant colors and beautiful presentation of vegan sushi make it a joy to eat. Whether you're serving it at a picnic, a party, or just a casual meal at home, it's sure to impress your guests and make any occasion special. Whether you're a seasoned sushi enthusiast or new to this Japanese delicacy, vegan sushi offers a fantastic opportunity to explore new flavors and enjoy a healthy and satisfying meal. It's a great way to introduce more plant-based foods into your diet without sacrificing taste or enjoyment. So, grab your bamboo mat and your sharpest knife. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get creative in the kitchen. With a little practice and a lot of imagination, you'll be making delicious vegan sushi rolls in no time. Let's get started and make some sushi magic happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you never miss an update. One of the most exciting aspects of vegan sushi is the sheer variety of fillings you can use. Unlike traditional sushi, which often relies heavily on fish and seafood, vegan sushi opens up a world of creative possibilities. You can mix and match different ingredients to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Forget the limitations of traditional sushi. With vegan options, the possibilities are endless. You can use fresh vegetables, fruits, and plant-based proteins to create sushi rolls that are not only delicious but also visually stunning. The vibrant colors and diverse textures make each bite an adventure. From creamy avocado and sweet mango to crunchy cucumber and tangy pickled ginger, there's a flavor combination for everyone. The creamy texture of avocado pairs perfectly with the sweetness of mango, while the crunch of cucumber and the zing of pickled ginger add a refreshing contrast. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and tastes to create your own unique masterpieces. Try adding some thinly sliced radishes for a peppery kick, or some shredded carrots for a touch of sweetness. The key is to balance the flavors and textures to create a harmonious bite. Roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant add a smoky depth, enhancing the overall flavor profile of your sushi rolls. The slight char from grilling brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetables, making them a perfect addition to your vegan sushi. While marinated tofu or tempeh provide a protein-packed punch. Marinating the tofu or tempeh in a mixture of soy sauce, ginger, and garlic infuses them with rich flavors, making them a hearty and satisfying filling for your sushi rolls. And for a touch of spice, try adding some sriracha mayo or pickled jalapenos to your rolls. The creamy sriracha mayo adds a spicy kick, while the pickled jalapenos provide a tangy heat that complements the other flavors in your sushi. Remember, the key to delicious vegan sushi is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Gather your friends and family, set up an outdoor sushi making station, and enjoy the process of creating and sharing your vegan sushi masterpieces. The possibilities are truly endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Let's start with a classic, the avocado and mango roll. This refreshing combination is a crowd pleaser and incredibly easy to make. Simply slice ripe avocado and mango into thin strips, then spread a thin layer of sushi rice onto a sheet of nori seaweed, leaving a small border at the top. Arrange the avocado and mango slices in the center of the rice, then carefully roll it up using a bamboo mat. Once rolled, slice the sushi into bite-sized pieces and serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. This tropical delight is a perfect introduction to the world of vegan sushi. For those who crave a bit of crunch, tofu tempura rolls are an excellent choice. Start by cutting firm tofu into bite-sized pieces and coating them in a light tempura batter. Fry the tofu until golden brown and crispy. While the tofu is still warm, assemble your rolls by spreading a thin layer of sushi rice onto nori seaweed. Add a few pieces of tempura tofu, along with your favorite vegetables like shredded carrots, cucumber, or avocado. Roll it up tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. If you like your food with a bit of heat, then spicy vegan sushi rolls are for you. Spread a thin layer of sriracha mayo onto your nori seaweed before adding the rice. This will give your rolls a fiery kick that's balanced by the creamy avocado and cool cucumber. For extra heat, try adding some pickled jalapenos or a sprinkle of chili flakes to your rolls. You can even use spicy tofu crumbles or kimchi for an extra layer of flavor and texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with different levels of spice to find your perfect match. Rolling sushi might seem intimidating at first, but it's easier than you think. With a few simple tools and some practice, you can create delicious sushi rolls right at home. Sushi making is not just about the end product. It's an art form that involves patience, precision, and a bit of creativity. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to mastering the art of sushi making. All you need is a bamboo mat, some plastic wrap, and a bit of practice. The bamboo mat, or makisu, is essential for rolling the sushi tightly and evenly. The plastic wrap helps to keep the mat clean and prevents the rice from sticking to it. These tools are inexpensive and can be found at most grocery stores or online. Start by placing a sheet of nori seaweed on your bamboo mat, shiny side down. Nori is a type of edible seaweed that is commonly used in Japanese cuisine. It provides a slightly salty flavor and a crisp texture that complements the softness of the rice and the fillings. Make sure the nori sheet is aligned with the bottom edge of the bamboo mat. Wet your hands to prevent the rice from sticking, and spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Sushi rice, or shari, is seasoned with a mixture of vinegar, sugar, and salt, giving it a unique flavor. The key is to use just enough rice to cover the nori without making the roll too bulky. Arrange your fillings in the center of the rice. You can use a variety of ingredients such as fresh vegetables, seafood, or even fruits. Popular choices include cucumber, avocado, crab sticks, and tuna. The fillings should be cut into thin strips to ensure they fit neatly inside the roll. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different combinations to find your favorite flavors. Then, using the bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge of the nori closest to you and begin rolling it away from you, tucking in the fillings as you go. The rolling process requires a gentle yet firm touch to ensure the roll is tight and compact. Take your time and adjust the mat as needed to keep the roll even. Use gentle pressure to create a tight, compact roll. This step is crucial for maintaining the shape of the sushi and preventing it from falling apart when sliced. If the roll feels loose, you can re-roll it with a bit more pressure. Once rolled, moisten the top edge of the nori with a little water to seal it. This helps to keep the roll intact and gives it a polished look. Now, your sushi roll is ready to be sliced into bite-sized pieces and enjoyed. With practice, you'll be able to create beautiful and delicious sushi rolls that impress your friends and family. The beauty of sushi is that it's incredibly versatile. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations and create your own signature rolls. Try using different types of rice, like black rice or quinoa, for added nutritional value and visual appeal. Get creative with your fillings by incorporating seasonal fruits and vegetables, pickled ginger, edamame beans, or even crumbled seaweed snacks. For a fun twist, Try using different sauces and toppings like sriracha mayo, sweet chili sauce, toasted sesame seeds, or chopped scallions. Who says sushi can't be dessert? Finish your vegan sushi feast with a sweet and refreshing dessert roll that will leave everyone wanting more. Spread a thin layer of sweet coconut rice onto a sheet of nori seaweed. Top with sliced strawberries, a dollop of coconut cream, and a drizzle of melted dark chocolate. Roll it up tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. This decadent dessert is the perfect way to end a delicious and satisfying vegan sushi meal. So there you have it. Vegan sushi is a delicious and exciting way to enjoy plant-based eating. With endless possibilities for flavor combinations and creative presentations, it's a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Now it's your turn. Head to the kitchen and start rolling up your own vegan sushi masterpieces. What are your favorite vegan sushi ingredients? Share your creations and tag us on social media. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Let's spread the love for vegan sushi, one delicious roll at a time.